Have you ever felt like you don't know where your life is going? You're moving, doing things, but inside it feels directionless, like you're lost, even when everything looks normal. Why does this happen? Buddha explained this in a simple way. There's a story. One day, a traveler came to Buddha and said, "I feel lost. I don't know what I'm doing or where I'm going." Buddha didn't answer directly. Instead, he asked, "If you start walking without knowing your destination, where will you reach?" The man said, "Nowhere." Buddha smiled and said, "That is your life right now." He continued, "You are moving, but without awareness. You are busy, but without understanding. That is why you feel lost." The man went silent. Buddha then said, "Being lost is not about your path. It is about your mind. When your mind is unclear, even the right path feels confusing. But when your mind is clear, even a simple step feels meaningful." That's the truth. You don't feel lost because life has no direction. You feel lost because you are disconnected from yourself. You keep doing what others expect, chasing what others chase, but never stopping to ask what truly matters to you. And that creates confusion. But the moment you slow down and start observing your own thoughts, your own choices, clarity begins step by step. So don't rush to find the perfect path. First, find awareness. Because once your mind is clear, the path becomes clear too. If this made you understand your situation better, subscribe to Insight of Buddha.